Me nah go tell no lie. Not even when we cross the dep on SANDZ. Me get the amount of review and the amount of call. Like SANDZ and New York where AIDONIA just do.
Yo, here we go. Help me find that woman there, the black. Help me find her. Please share that video here. Whole heap of time share that video here. Please and thanks.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, hope everybody having a great day, a great evening, a great morning, a lovely morning, a lovely evening, a lovely afternoon. Take me and say, a lovely everything. So, I'll be things are going on the dancehall aspect, I take it to me and say, AIDONIA got SANDZ and the man got shell it. You see me and say, him go on good at SANDZ, a good look. Like how AIDONIA perform a song. Our Foota hypes, I give AIDONIA bare props. You get me and say, the man I give him bare props and I tell him, say, yo, him one of the best performer of SANDZ overall from SANDZ I keep, and he must have never get so much phone call of AIDONIA's performance or nobody else performance ever perform at SANDZ. The man say him go on good. So the man I say, yo, all the artists them who boss in the pandemic, the man I say, yo, uno no good. You see, the man I say a long time I tell him, I say, yo, uno no good. And as long as the real artists them get back them visa, everything I got done, everything over. You see it, so AIDONIA performance at SANDZ was a good look. We're going to show you the review and we have also other updates about other things to go on the dancehall. You see it, so we are getting to the updates them. And if you don't subscribe to the channel, just make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click all so you don't know anything I'm going to post. You're going to be the first person to get it. You see it, so stay tuned, my viewers and subscribers. We are getting to the review right now. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, it's a good look for the fourth general boss. To get them and say the man go on good at SANDZ. I don't know. And a regular thing still, I never go on stage show AIDONIA go yet and never get a good performance from yet still. All of the stage show that I ever go see AIDONIA, I always get a good look for my money's worth. To get them and say AIDONIA is a great performer. I like him performances. He always have the song them, him always have the vibe, him always have everything locked during the performances. The song, everything, the vibe. Everything, I like AIDONIA performances. All the time I watch him perform, him never yet fail me yet. So viewers and subscribers, leave in the comment section and I know what I think. I get into the rest of the update.
Yo, here we go. Help me find that woman there, the black. Help me find her. Please share that video here. Whole heap of time share that video here. Please and thanks. The lady here come in and she steal the girl in the brown iPhone X. Alright? So she should put on the bag over the phone there, right? When she put on the bag over the phone, the lady I go walk away. See she walk away there now. After she walk away now, see she hold the phone there underneath the bag. And then once the girl gone now, you go see she take up the bag. All the piece of stick. When Miss Chin used to party goods them, all the sticky woman teeth to blouse and skirt. See woman gone with the phone there now and that bag. Please share, people, share.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I know what I think about that one. I tell you, say that big woman here, she skilled me and tell you, say, yo, when I'm watching yourself out the road and watching the phones them out the road, they get them and say, just be careful and be vigilant out there and make sure you say, when you not put on the things, and when you don't put on the things, careless. So I know what I think in the comment section, my viewers and subscribers, and for all who don't subscribe to the channel, the door is always home, so just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell and click also, you know, to anything I post, you're going to be the first person to get it, you get a personal notification. So don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I know what I think. We are getting to the rest of reviews them. Now my viewers and subscribers.
Carefully. MJ nails by Alright. I want to remember these words I make a speak right now. The world is mine. Remember I said this today now. The world is mine. And everything in it belongs to me. You can repeat after me, you know. The world is mine, and everything in it belongs to me. Okay. So, I said that to say this now. Jojo, big up yourself. Who remember when pandemic are going, right? And everybody a kill up themselves, but which artist at a uno at a, I said to uno say, slow down. None of these pandemic artists have not proven themselves as real artists. When pandemic done, remember good enough. Me said to uno say, when pandemic done, and the real artists them out and about in the world, when the real artists them get them visa, then everybody up on a level platform, and the real fans them come out, and the real patron them a come a dance, then you can tell me say, oh no bad, I wanna run place. Let's go again. During the pandemic, we stress out, we can't go nowhere, and we do a eat food thing over and over. Only look a place where that go on like a bit of it Florida. Cause we could have keep two little thing, and I know the Santa's a good youth when him ready. The place open up now. Make we do the maths. Killer, one of our stalwart performer, don't have visa right now. Beanie Man, one of our greatest performer, don't have visa right now. I don't see Capitan come a foreign, that obviously means him not a visa, because I have been there. Sizzla Kalonji, not a visa, which is the next great performer. When we're looking at our great performers, most of them don't have any visa.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I want to know what you think in the comment section, because certain things the Foota hype attack are real thing. I can't go around it to get them and say, yeah, cause a lot of the artists them who bust in the pandemic and them something they see. I not see them are not sure. Them have each song and them think that we are run the place where I get a like a 5 minutes, a like a 15 minutes and a 10 minutes and so on. But I not see them on a poster, I not see them a go Canada, I not see them a go US, I not see them a go in a no country, I not see them a go England O2 Arena. You see, enough of them artists are just recording artists, enough of them are not even artists. Most of the artists them I bust nowadays, I don't know what them do. Them not sing no right thing, them not find the topics, them not do nothing. You see it, and yet see them are overpriced to people them. So let me know the comment section I want to think. You see it about what Foota hype have to say. So let me know that.
This is not Popcaan's first person.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, so this is a Popcaan gone in a construction, right? You know, you get the mess of the man buy him backhoe, them and them little thing, them little machine and them tractor, them is it. So, big ups to Popcaan, we are going what you call it now, construction is it, I don't know, so the music don't last forever. I get the message, so you have to set up business and set up shop and set up all different type of things out there in the music. So I hope so the younger artists them are watching and see that movie. Is it big props to Popcaan? So just leave in the comment section. I want to know what you think about Popcaan gone in a construction is it. So viewers and subscribers, well, to get the message, I hit that